Hello there, my name is Hanna and I am from Faribault, Minnesota. My husband Cole and I have been very interested in starting our trust the last several years. But when we started researching and digging and learning, we realized that there's a lot of information out there, but that does not mean that it's good information. We learned about revocable, irrevocable, domestic, foreign, but we just did not know what was going to work for us. And somewhere along the line, we came across Bulletproof Trust with Jack and Liberty Aid Academy. We were thrilled, kind of skeptical, but thrilled. So we started reading about it, we were talking to the rep about it, and we were like, this sounds like everything that we want. We want everything of ours to be protected and taken care of and not to be easily removed from us. So when we heard what Liberty Aid Academy had to offer, and they were talking to us about all their bundles, my husband was very eager and he said, we're just going right into it. We're going to go all in and we're doing the Mastery Bundle. There's a lot of information in the Mastery Bundle, and they keep adding new courses too. So with the Mastery Bundle, we started at the very beginning and we watched the video, we read the documents, went through all of it. I will tell you that the information that Liberty Aid Academy has is invaluable. We have learned so much, and we didn't realize how easy it was going to be to start a trust. But I will show you. Here it is. This is our trust. And we even got it registered. Registered with the Office of the Minnesota Secretary of State. I mean, if that doesn't feel official, what does? My husband and I have big plans for the future of our family, and Liberty Aid Academy is making those plans come to life. We are still going through the Mastery Bundle because there is a lot to learn, and we're even looking forward to purchasing new courses. And we are very excited because so far everything has just been a step-by-step instruction. Jack has done a wonderful job of laying everything out, putting it together with Liberty Aid Academy, and making the information so easy to understand. Thank you very much. And if you guys are thinking about starting a trust, do it with them. Do it with Liberty Aid Academy. You're not going to regret it.